Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to discuss the lesson Be reading The Three Little Rabbits. The Three Little Rabbits. Now all of you children open page number 49 and see the lesson here. Scene 1. Three little rabbits. What they were talking. See here. Now narrator means writers. Now once upon a time there were three cute little rabbits. They spoke to their mother one day. See, once upon a time there were three cute little rabbits were there. They are speaking to their mother one day. See here, you can observe in the picture mother and the three cute little rabbits. What they are doing? They are talking to their mother one day. Now see rabbit 1, what he is saying. Rabbit 1, Mommy, I am big now. I must go out and live by myself. First rabbit 1, what he is saying. Mommy, I became big now. Now I will go outside and live by myself. I can live outside by myself. Now rabbit 2, what it is telling. I too shall go, ma. Rabbit 2 also telling to his mother same only. I will also go and live by myself now because I also became big now. Now rabbit 3 what telling? See, Amma, I will also go. What it is telling rabbit? Rabbit 3 also telling the same as the rabbit 1. Amma, I will also go and live by myself outside. Now see mother rabbit what it is telling. Okay, but live together. What it is telling mother rabbit? You go outside but live together. First build a beautiful house. You all build a beautiful house. Mother is telling to the three little rabbits to build a beautiful house and live together. Rabbit 1, 2 and 3 what say? Goodbye. Mummy, they are saying goodbye and going here. You can observe here. See, they are saying goodbye to their mother and moving. Now see mother rabbit, goodbye. Mother rabbit also saying goodbye. Little ones, take care. Mother rabbit what's telling? Goodbye. Little ones, you take care. Whenever you are going out, your mother also telling no like this, bye and take care. Now narrator. So the three little rabbits went out. Three little rabbits now went out to live together. Each one decided to build a separate house. Now what they decided? They decided to build a separate house. Mother told to build a beautiful house first and live together, she told. But these three little rabbits wanted to build each one a separate house. They did not want to live together. They don't want to live together. They want to live separately now. Now everyone sings and dances. Everyone sings and dances. Now see, I am off to build a beautiful new house. A new house now. I am off going to build a beautiful new house now. A new house now. I am off to build a house. A beautiful house. A new house now. I am off to build a beautiful new house. A new house now. Like this, the three rabbits were singing song and doing dance and building their beautiful house. Now turn your page, children, all of you. Page number 50, you see there. Scene 2, what happened this much. This is the first scene. They came out of their home and they want to build the separate house. Now scene 2, see. Narrator, the first little rabbit had not gone far when he met a man with a bale of hay. See here in the picture you can observe. Rabbit met a man. What he is carrying? He is carrying bale of hay, means grass. He is carrying grass in hands. That rabbit what it is asking? See, rabbit 1, hello uncle, please Give me that hay to build my house. The rabbit is asking this uncle to give that grass. I will build my house with grass. Means what he is doing, man? Man, here you are, little one. This man is giving that grass to this rabbit. See, rabbit what is telling? Thank you, uncle. Goodbye. Rabbit is telling thank you. Why? Because he gave grass to rabbit. That's why rabbit is wishing thank you and saying goodbye. Man also telling now goodbye. Now narrator, then the first little rabbit built his house of hay. Now with what he built this first rabbit? His house with bale of hay, means with grass. He built his house with grass, dry grass. Now narrator, the second little rabbit had not gone far when he met a man carrying a bundle of sticks. Now you can observe in the picture, see here, second rabbit, what he saw? A man carrying a bundle of sticks. See here, man is carrying bundle of stick on his head. Now see rabbit, what is asking to that man? Rabbit 2, hello, mama, please give me those sticks to build my house. Rabbit is asking, rabbit 2 is asking this man to please give me these sticks, I will build my house. See man, what he is telling? Man 2, here you are, little one. Man is telling, yes, you take this, little one. Means he gave this bundle of sticks to rabbit 2. Now rabbit 2 what is wishing? Thank you, mama. Goodbye. Thank you, mama. Goodbye. Rabbit is saying thank you and goodbye to mama. Now, with what this house built a rabbit to? It used sticks and built his house. Now, man to goodbye. Narrator. Then the second little rabbit built his house of sticks. Now with what he built his house? He built his house with sticks. House of sticks. Now narrator, the third little rabbit had not gone far when he met a man with a load of bricks. Now while he going, he met a man with a load of bricks. Third little rabbit got man with load of bricks. Rabbit 3 see. Now, hello Kaka, please give me those bricks to build my house. What he is telling that rabbit? Hello Kaka, please give me these bricks. I will build my house. I will use these bricks and build my house. See here page 51. Now you see man 3. Here you are, little one. What is telling? Yes, you take this little one. Now rabbit 3, thank you Kaka. Goodbye. Rabbit 3 saying thank you and telling goodbye to man. Man 3 what's telling? Goodbye. Now narrator, then the third rabbit built his house of bricks. Now the third rabbit, how he built his house? He built his house with bricks. Now everyone sings and dances. Everyone sings and dances. I have built a beautiful new house. A new house just now. I have built a beautiful new house. A new house just now. I have built a house. A beautiful new house just now. I have built a beautiful new house. A new house just now. Like this they are singing. 3 rabbits are singing song and dancing because they built their houses. That's why they were happy and joy. That's why they are singing this song and dancing. Now this is the scene 2. In the scene 2 what happened? They are building their houses. Each rabbit built a separate house using different types. First rabbit built its house with using dry grass. Now second rabbit built his house using bundle of sticks. Third rabbit built his house using bricks. Now scene 3 you see, narrator. One day the first little rabbit heard a knock at the door. See, one day what happened? Knock means somebody is knocking at the door. Now it was a big bad fox. Bad big fox. It was bad big fox. Now fox. Little rabbit, let me come in. Fox, what it is asking to rabbit? Little rabbit, please allow me. I will come in. Fox is asking to rabbit. Now rabbit what telling? No, not by the hair of my chinny chin. What it is telling? I will not allow to come inside. I will not allow you to come inside. It is telling. Rabbit is telling, I will not allow you to come inside. Now fox. Then I will huff and I will puff and I will blow down your house. What it is telling, fox? I will huff means, huff and puff means blowing air hardly. If it blows air, the house will fall down. It is telling, fox is telling, I will huff and I will puff and I will blow down your house. If it is blowing air forcefully, that house is going to get down. Now narrator. So the fox huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. Fox what he did? Blew air forcefully. Then the house fell down. And the first little rabbit ran to his brother's house. First little rabbit, where he went? Now he lost his house because that fox huffed and puffed, blowed air forcefully. So that first rabbit lost his house. Now then he went to his brother's house now. Now scene 4 you see, narrator. The big bad fox went to the second rabbit's house. Again fox came here, see in the picture. To whose house it came? It came to second rabbit's house. It came to second rabbit's house and knocked at the door, making sound at the door. Now turn your page, children. 52. Now say fox. Little rabbit, let me come in. Fox what it is asking? Little rabbit, please allow me in. Now rabbit to what it is telling? No, not by the hair of my chinny chin. Means I will not allow you to get inside. I will not let you in. I am not going to allow you in. Now fox see. Then I will huff and I will puff and I will blow your house out. See what it is telling? See, it told to first rabbit also like this only, I will huff and puff. Now it is telling to same the second rabbit also, I will huff and I will puff, I will blow your house out. Now see, narrator. So the fox huffed and puffed and he blew the house out. What happened? That fox breathed out very hard. Means that house fell down. Now and the first little rabbit and the second little rabbit ran to their brother's house. Now second little rabbit also lost her house. So this first rabbit and second rabbit went to third little rabbit. Now scene 5c, narrator. One day the third little rabbit heard a knock at the door. It was the big bad fox. Now see, this bad fox came to third little rabbit's house also. See what it's telling? Fox, little rabbit, let me come in. What it is asking? Please allow me in. Now the rabbit 3 was telling, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin. I will not let you in. Means I'm not going to allow you in. Now fox what it is telling? Then I will huff and I will puff and I will blow your house down. What it is telling? I am going to blow air very hardly. So your house will get down, it is telling. Now narrator. So the fox huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed, but he couldn't blow the house down. The 3 rabbits sat together. Means how with what he constructed, with what he built this third rabbit, he constructed using bricks. He built his house is using bricks. That's why that fox cannot fell down, cannot get off this house. Now the three rabbits sat together. Now these three rabbits sat together, say, and what they are thinking. Rabbit 1, brothers, I think the fox has gone. Brother 1, what is telling? That fox has gone. Now rabbit 2, no, look, he is coming down the chimney pipe. Now you observe here, this fox is coming down through the chimney pipe. Now he went upon the roof of house. Now he is want to come down through the chimney pipe like this. Now what they are doing, see. Rabbit 3, oh, I have got an idea. Now rabbit 3 got an idea. Narrator, now the three little rabbits together put the water tub on the fireplace under the chimney. Under the chimney, what they put? Now they put water tub under the chimney. The third little rabbit made a blazing fire, hot fire in the place. They put tub, now they are making fire under the tub in the fireplace. Now see the page 53, rabbit 1. Brothers, look, the fox is crawling down, means fox is see, the fox is crawling down, means coming down. Now rabbit 2, I can see his body. Rabbit 3, oh, I can see his head. Rabbit 3, what it is telling? I can see his head. Now see here in the picture, this rabbit wants to get inside of the house with the help of this chimney's pipe. Now this is going inside, means what they kept these three rabbits? The three rabbits put water tub under the fireplace. Under the chimney they kept tub and they put fire. Now see what happened. Narrator, just as the fox was coming down the chimney, the first little rabbit lifted the lid of the tub of boiling water. What they put? In the tub they put water. How it is boiling. See, that fox had came down the chimney, no? That first little rabbit lifted the lid of the tub. The fox fell into the tub and died. Then what happened? That fox fell into the tub and died, because water is what? No? That's why that fox died. Now, and the three little rabbits lived together happily ever after. Now, three little rabbits were living together ever happily now. Now, mother what said? You live together. Now at the end of the story, they are living together happily in third rabbit's house. Now everyone sings and dances. Now if they are singing, dancing. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. We are not afraid of the big fox. Ah ha ha, ho ho ho. We are not afraid of the big fox. They are singing and dancing now. Now see glossary, huff and puff, breathe out very hard, blazing extremely hot. Now writing part, opinion on the play. Write your opinion on the play in the box given below and present it to the whole class. You can make use of the following points to write your opinion. Now what do you like about the play? See what you are liking in the story, you write here in the box given. Now the character you like the best. Which character you are liking the best? You are liking the first rabbit, second rabbit, or third rabbit, or fox. You write here. Now anything you like to remember? Anything you like to remember? Now anything you don't like? That you all write here in the box using the given hints. Now turn your page 54, conventions of writings. Now use capital letters, full stops, commas, question marks and exclamation marks wherever necessary and rewrite the following sentences. Now see children, some sentences are given here. Now you use full stop, commas, question marks and inverted commas and exclamation marks wherever necessary. You Put it and rewrite the sentence now. Raghu saw tigers and lions and monkeys in the zoo. Now you write down Raghu saw tigers, you put comma, lions and monkeys in the zoo. Then you put full stop. Now you do the remaining children, second, third and fourth one. Now enrich your English. Idioms, you read these idioms. Idioms means nothing but a non-literal meaning attached to the phrase. Now see page 55. One fun time. Now one day two little rabbits went to the forest. Two little rabbits, where they went? They went into the forest. Rabbit 1, what will you do if a tiger suddenly appears before you? Rabbit 1 asking to Rabbit 2, what you are going to do if a rabbit comes before you? Now Rabbit 2, I will run as fast as I can. Rabbit 2, what it is telling? I will run as fast as I can. Now Rabbit 1, don't do that, just stretch your arms apart and stand like a doll. Don't move, it will go away. Rabbit 1, what it is telling? It is telling an idea. Don't run like that. If lion comes, tigers comes, you don't run, you just stretch your arms and stand like a doll. Then it will only go away. Now Rabbit 2, what? Who told you? Who told you that? Rabbit 2 is telling, who told you that? Now Rabbit 1, I have read it in a magazine recently, means newspaper. Rabbit 1, what is telling? I have read in the magazine recently now. Rabbit 2, that's okay, but how do we know that the tiger too might have read that in the magazine? But that it is okay, but how can we know that tiger also read in the magazine maybe? Yes or no? We don't know what is the tiger's idea. With this we have completed the lesson. Together we live.